This is your farm right here?
Yeah, it's my family's farm.
Your family's farm? How long have you guys had a farm?
Oh, like 50 years.
So that's like what? Like your grandpa, right? Or something?
Yeah.
Okay, so I saw you and I thought you were totally gorgeous and I wanted to know if you wanted to play a really quick game for a quick kiss. Are you down?
Sure.
You're down? Okay, cool. How about this? If I can make you laugh, I get to give you a kiss. You down?
Yeah.
Okay, here I go. Tickle always works, right? So, how long have you been working here on the farm for?
About 2 years.
2 years? What's like do you have like a specific job here or something?
Well, I tend to the plants right now. I'm tending this little alum root over here.
Alum root, never heard of that. Well, I was walking down the farm and I thought you were beautiful and I wanted to know if you wanted to play a really quick game for a quick kiss. Are you down?
Sure.
You're down, okay. Here's the game. If I can make you laugh, you gotta give me a kiss, okay?
If you make me laugh,
If
I
I
have
can
to
make-
give you a kiss. Okay.
Yeah.
All
Okay,
right.
here we go. Made you laugh. Come here. Get rid of this hat.
Oh.
I'm gonna steal you and we can run away. If writing is a sore subject for you,